Hello everybody, welcome to the 9th edition of our Nano conference. I'd like to present Alon, who's been the main organizer of this meeting.
Which is not true. Okay.
And we're going to start with some kind words from our chief of staff here.
And enjoy the conference.
Okay. So they allocated 15 minutes for greetings, so these are not going to be 15 minutes of greetings. But I do want to say a few words. So it's really the 9th conference, and it's the 13th year for this center. So this is really a tradition already. And even though it's a tradition, the center is already well established and has very important activity within Tel Aviv University and outside. But it's also a very vibrant center. So it continuously grows and continuously expanding, and we always have new additions. And in perfect timing, Valerie just entered the room, and so I just wanted to introduce a couple of new additions to the center. Valerie is one of the new additions. Ronit is hiding, but she's also a very major and important addition, but I think all of you either know her by face or by mail. But in any rate, we have an incredible team of people that make the center what the center is. And of course, all of you that participate in the nano beers and the seminars and the workshops and all the various activities that we have. So I think this workshop, the nice thing about this workshop, and this is where I want to say few words to the speakers and few words to the participants, the audience. So the whole thing about this conference that it's very, very general, it's very, very broad. And so although we're not giving prizes, we are giving prizes for the best posters. There are going to be 3 prizes. For the speakers, think as if you are in a competition for the best presentation award for the most comprehensive presentation for non-experts, people who are not in your field. We have people here who are biologists and chemists and physicists and from engineering. Did I miss something? I think that covers all. So make sure that when you talk to so this is for the speakers. Now for the participants, it's very, very important not to target the topics that you're typically interested in. Try to target, of course, all the talks, but specifically talks that are outside your field of immediate interest, because the whole point about this conference is for people to meet other people, hear about totally different new ideas, and to come up with new directions. And we have lots and lots of examples from the past several years of fantastic collaborations and many, many examples for such activities. And so by that, I'll stop here. We'll start the first session. The conference has lots of very cool activities. One surprise that we'll save for tomorrow is the clip and the bloopers that prepared. So we'll put it in. We'll let you know exactly when that's going to happen. But this is coming next. So in that, I'll finish and we'll move to the actual program. And so it's very befitting, I think, that the first speaker is Professor Ruth Gazit, who happens to be also, I think, our dignitary for the event, who is also the chief scientist of the Ministry of Science of Israel, and also one of the first and also, most importantly, was one of the first few very, very active nano researchers at Tel Aviv University.